There is a moment, quiet, subtle, and almost invisible, when a woman suddenly feels something she wasn't expecting. Fear. Fear of being replaced. Fear of losing you. Fear of realizing you're not as available as she thought. And this fear doesn't come from manipulation. It doesn't come from games. It doesn't come from chasing other women. It comes from one thing: you becoming a man who chooses, not a man who waits. Stoicism teaches you to value yourself so deeply that you no longer cling to anyone, not even the woman you love. And when she senses this, everything shifts. Let's break down the 4 Stoic moments that make a woman fear losing you. 1. When you stop reacting emotionally. A woman starts worrying about being replaced when she realizes you're no longer emotionally dependent on her. She used to expect you to respond instantly, to get jealous, to get upset, to ask for answers, to chase reassurance. But suddenly, you don't. You stay calm, you stay centered, you stay grounded. Marcus Aurelius said, "Power is when you have the ability to react, but you choose not to." When you no longer react to her mood swings, her delays, her mixed signals. She realizes something important. Your peace doesn't depend on her anymore. And nothing makes a woman feel more insecure than losing emotional control over a man she once influenced. 2. When you become fully invested in your own life. Most men lose a woman not because they're boring, but because they stop growing. But the moment you decide to take your life seriously again, your goals rise, your confidence rises, your energy rises, your presence rises. She suddenly sees you differently. She starts comparing. Who else sees him? Who else notices him? What if someone better recognizes his value before I do? Seneca said, "A man who improves himself improves the world around him." When you shift your focus from her to your purpose, that's exactly when her fear of being replaced begins. Not because you're chasing someone else, but because she knows someone else could want you. 3. When you stop explaining yourself and simply act a woman. Starts fearing replacement when your actions become cleaner, sharper, and more definite, without needing validation. You don't over-explain, you don't justify, you don't defend, you don't beg. You simply live by your standards. Epictetus said, "Don't explain your philosophy, embody it." When you embody your value instead of discussing it, she realizes, you're a man who is willing to walk away. And a man who can walk away is a man who can be replaced by no one. This idea terrifies her, because she understands that you now choose your company, not cling to it. 4. When your silence speaks louder than her attempts to control. Women don't fear losing men who talk too much, explain too much, or try too hard. They fear losing the man who stays silent, calm, and unmoved when she tries to trigger him. Silence is not passive. It is power. A Stoic man uses silence to show he won't be disrespected, he won't be manipulated, he won't be emotionally dragged, he won't be guilt-tripped, he won't be pulled off his purpose. When she sees she can no longer shake you emotionally, she starts asking herself, who is he thinking about? Who is he choosing instead of engaging with me? Who has his attention now? Her fear isn't jealousy, it's realization. Realization that she lost the emotional influence she once took for granted. A woman truly fears being replaced, not when you talk to other women or try to make her jealous, but when she feels you becoming the kind of man who doesn't need her to feel complete. She fears losing you when you stop reacting emotionally, you invest in your growth, you act with quiet strength, you let your silence speak for you. This fear isn't unhealthy. It's the natural reaction women have to a man who has rediscovered his value. And once she feels that shift, trust me, she starts trying harder than you ever expected.